This is footage from our first summer in the village. The property we had just bought turned out to be full of raspberries. Usually here in Russia, we make jam out of them. It's great for colds, and overall, it's just a delicious winter treat. But I decided to save some of the fresh berries to make a raspberry pie for the family to have with tea. During that first year, I actually tried to do most of my cooking outside. I even worked with the dough right in the yard. The weather was perfect. Our daughter was only 6 months old, and spending time in the fresh air was much better for her than being indoors. Generally speaking, we don't get that much warm weather in Russia over the course of a year, so in the summer, you just want to spend every minute outside. We really try to make the most of those days. I wanted to make the pie in a way that would preserve all of its health benefits. Fresh raspberries are packed with vitamins, so I chose not to bake the filling. I prepared the crust separately. Honestly, it was my first time making a pie like this. Looking at this footage now, I realize I wasn't exactly a master chef back then. But for some reason my husband never complained about it. For the filling, I took fresh raspberries and mixed them with gelatin, creating a thick berry base. I spread it over to the cooled crust and then, just for decoration, sprinkled fresh garden berries on top. After that, I left the pie to set overnight. The next morning, I brewed some fresh oregano tea. We cut into our pie and simply enjoyed the moment. My husband said it turned out really delicious.